Anyone about her son Hamza's death. Detectives will trawl thousands of mobile phone records for fresh leads on the disappearance of Madeleine McCann. And a Winter World Cup in 2022 looks ever more likely as FIFA set up a task force to investigate. Join Mark Austin and me at 6:30.
You're watching the ITV News in London. Still to come. Bex is back and says despite his jet-setting past, he's always been a Londoner. But first, diverse, creative and proud. Those are the three words which people feel define London. The survey by a brand strategy companies also found that more than half of Londoners think the capital should have its own logo, and most would prefer it to be a traditional symbol like Big Ben. Ria Chatterjee has been out in our ITV News London cab to find out what you think of the idea of brand London.
Thousands of years of history, big plans for the future, and known the world over. If London were a product, it'd be a bestseller. But one company feels the city needs brand management. Out and about today, though, people seemed quite certain about their capital.
People associate a lot with London, and it could be old buildings, it could be all the kind of history and the pomp and the stuff that goes with it. I think that's part of London's brand as it stands. Don't know how you would brand that. I mean, other than London is an old place and it's got lots of cool things going on.
Very, very metropolitan. Lots of different nationalities here. Known throughout the world as the centre of art, fashion, whatever. I wouldn't know whether a brand would be quite the right thing for it. I think it's possibly above that.
This Malaysian food festival, smack bang in the middle of Trafalgar Square, is a nod to the city's diversity. And as part of the survey, people were asked to imagine London as a brand and to pick a word to describe it. Diverse came out on top.
No, I wouldn't say that. I'd say historical, traditional, established, and very well known.
The YouGov survey, commissioned by a global branding agency, asked 1,000 Londoners a range of questions about the city's identity, including which icons best represent the city. Big Ben topped the poll at 33%, Red London buses came next at 16%, and Tower Bridge came in at 13%. History triumphed, with landmarks such as the Shard picking up just 1% of the vote.
You just say the word London and people get it, and that's what a brand should automatically do. It's when a brand is not really powerful enough that you have to invent things that you want to associate with it, so you can just have a stamp that says, oh well, that's what we're talking about. Well, with London you don't need to do that. You just need to say the word London or write the word London, and people immediately have in their minds what they think about London.
From my viewpoint of an American and a Texan from Houston, Texas, London has a brand.
What is that brand?
Brand will be very British.
Ria Chatterjee, ITV News.
Well, time for a look ahead to the weekend sport, and Beckham is back.
London News Sports Reports, sponsored by WeWantAnyCar.com, the Cash for Cars website.
Well, Rags Martell is here, and I understand you've met David Beckham.
That's right, we're kind of best friends now, yes. The former England captain has been teaching children in North East London. It's part of an ongoing scheme to get kids active, and I've been speaking to Beckham about the importance of sports participation.